To transfer USDT from Lbank in 2025, follow these steps. First, log into your Lbank account using your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, enter the code sent to your phone or email to complete the login process. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Assets or Wallet section of the platform. Here, you will see a list of all the cryptocurrencies you hold on Lbank, including USDT. Click on the USDT tab to view your USDT balance and transaction history. Next, click on the Withdraw button next to your USDT balance. This will take you to the withdrawal page, where you will need to enter the recipient's wallet address. Make sure to enter the correct address, as transactions on the blockchain are irreversible. You will also need to select the network you want to use for the transfer. USDT can be transferred on several networks, including Ethereum, Tron, and Binance Smart Chain. Choose the network that corresponds to the recipient's wallet address. After entering the wallet address and selecting the network, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. You can enter the amount in USDT or in the equivalent value of the selected network's native cryptocurrency. Before confirming the transaction, review the withdrawal details, including the recipient's wallet address, the amount of USDT being transferred, and the network fees. Network fees are paid to the miners who validate transactions on the blockchain and can vary depending on the network congestion. If all the details are correct, confirm the transaction. You may be asked to enter a verification code sent to your phone or email as an additional security measure. Once the transaction is confirmed, it will be processed and the USDT will be transferred to the recipient's wallet. It is essential to note that transfer times and fees can vary depending on the network and the amount being transferred. Additionally, make sure to only transfer USDT to wallets that support the same network you selected on Lbank. Transferring USDT to an incompatible wallet can result in the loss of your funds. In conclusion, transferring USDT from Lbank in 2025 is a straightforward process that requires careful attention to detail. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can securely transfer your USDT to any compatible wallet. Always prioritize security and verify the recipient's wallet address before confirming the transaction.